Today at ET Infra Air Summit, we are joined by Air Commodore Anil Kumar Sinha. He is the co-chairman of Federation of Aviation Industry in India. Air Commodore, it is really pleasure to have you out here at ET Infra Air Summit. Now you are a veteran from the Indian Air Force and especially into the helicopters. You come from the helicopter services. I really wanted to understand now on the commercial side of it, on the civilian side of it, helicopter services compared to its peer, the airlines have had not that the kind of viability. So if you could really, elaborate the challenges that are associated with, undertaking helicopter services in the country, especially on the civilian and commercial side.
Yeah, that's a good question. To be very straightforward, the aeroplanes were discovered first or invented first by the Wright brothers, and helicopters came in much later, sometime in 50s. So maybe that time gap. But yes, nevertheless, in India, we haven't had a growth since last about 5 years, but last 2 years have definitely seen a very positive silver lining at the crown. And the scope is pretty good as far as India is concerned, because helicopter provides you the last mile connectivity while the airlines are flourishing and it's booming, in fact. But it was the last mile connectivity which was really lacking. But today the helicopters, I guess, is going to fill up the gap.
You yourself, have formed a company, ABS Aerospace, and you are onboarding, your own helicopter, and you will be, giving out them for services. What I wanted to understand that, what gives you the confidence of now, owning and operating your own helicopters? Has the, scenario improved since the last 2 years? How's that the helicopter space in India is, panning out to be?
Yeah, it's a good question. Firstly, I have a passion for aviation, and having worked for last about nearly 16 years in the helicopter industry at all levels, maybe at the pilot level and also at the CEO level for three companies, that I have really built up some kind of a confidence that we can really grow this industry in a very astronomical pace. Because also got motivated by seeing the other countries. For example, like Rio de Janeiro has got 700 helicopters in a city, whereas we have just about 250 to 60 helicopters. A small city like Jakarta in Indonesia has got 300 helicopters in one city. So why not India? And as per the reports as well, aviation industry in Europe is maybe stagnant, but the main growth is Southeast Asia and India. And I guess it's a booming time for the helicopters. And basically because that having worked in the industry for so long at all the levels, I feel, of course, there are a lot of gaps in it. And personally, being the owner of the company, I personally feel that we will be able to fill up these gaps. Maybe the gaps could be at the level of regularity. So even the regularity gaps we will be able to fill up. The other gaps could be the operational gaps also we could fill up. Then the business models and various business model, if run effectively, they can really create wonders. The other part is the infrastructure. The infrastructure in our country is definitely lacking as far as helicopter is concerned. And we also, through the Federation of Aviation Industry, that we are in talks with the government, we are in touch with government, we are in touch with the state governments. So we would create an infrastructure of a proper heliports. Maybe in a vicinity of 100 to 150 kilometers, we have a heliport, because helipads, yes, helipads, helicopters are designed to land at unprepared helipads, but that is not for a regular missions. But for regular missions, you need a support in the vicinity, close vicinity, where you don't have to really tie up for the ambulance, for the fire brigade, or maybe for refueling, or for any other facility that may be required, or maybe night landing tomorrow. Because night landing also you will need airspace, approach clearances, the funnel clearances. That a heliport will give you that facility. So at any point of time, all over the country, we have heliports like runways, so we can plan at any point of time, 24/7, we'll be able to operate. So a lot of things like this, it gives me a lot of confidence that we'll be able to do well. And we are getting our first H-125 Airbus helicopters, which is really, I love this helicopter. And this helicopter has got a world record of landing at 28,000 feet or Mount Everest altitude. And India is a very mountainous country as well, Himalayas. So this helicopter is definitely going to play a key role, and that's why I chose this as my first helicopter. God willing, we should build up the infrastructure not only for us and also for the country as well.
Commodore, you are very lucky to keep sort of working on your passion day in and out. You have been a veteran, but you have prolonged that passion, and right till now you are stuck with the helicopter, which is, if I may say, maybe your second wife. That's the love you have it for it. So Mr. Sen, I really appreciate joining us out here at ET Infra Air Summit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dave. And one more thing, that I really feel like I'm born again and I'm very excited. Thank you.
Thank you.